If you serve just one of these salads, you will get asked to share the recipe again and again. It's fun to be the one who brings a new salad to extended family dinner, and these recipes come from everyone's favorite food friend, Cy Foster. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. They look amazing. Like my mouth is watering just looking at those bowls.
They are really fun salads. These are two of our favorites, and this is actually a new one that I've been making for a while, but I just barely put up on the blog, and it combines kind of sweet and savory, and I love cheese with fruit, so I thought, what could I do to put a salad together that really kind of celebrated, you know, pears and apples and cheese together.
And that's what you
that's
did.
What this salad
What do we call this salad?
Oh gosh, I can't even remember the name. It's something like apple and pear salad with an apple. Yeah, it's got an apple ginger dressing. So
oh, yeah, can we start there?
Yes,
let's make that one.
Yes, let's make that one. So you know, the kale.
Yes.
A lot of people have a problem with kale.
Yeah, but I'm not a huge fan myself.
I'm not either, until I learned this method to tame the kale. So you can see the size of the kale.
Take control.
Yes. Yes. So we just squeeze some fresh lemon over the top.
Okay.
And then,
ooh, I can smell that.
Everybody loves a good massage, right?
Yes.
So now my hands are clean. We are going to massage the kale, and you're going to see.
Hold on. Does this really make a difference?
It totally makes a difference. You're going to see when you watch this that the size of the kale is going to be reduced, and when you do this for about 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to end up with about half the volume. And you think about that when you're massaging this, you're breaking down all the fibers. So I think that the thing that really turns people off about kale is it's so tough.
Yeah, it is really tough.
Yeah, and this totally
softens
breaks it down and makes it so much better. And you can even do this the night before with the fresh lemon.
It physically looks more appetizing, I have to say.
Right. It's just, you know, the lemon freshens it up. It's so much better when you put some fresh lemon on and just massage it in.
So is the lemon just about flavor, or does that help with the breakdown?
It also helps break it down.
Oh, okay.
So you can also put some fresh spinach in with this. So if you want to put about half of that in, we'll just kind of toss that in.
Okay.
And then we just mix it up a little bit so it's spinach and kale. We're kind of disguising the kale, right? Because a lot of people have a kale phobia. Yes,
they do.
So, and this we've just got some, these are fresh pears that I've chunked up. So if I'm using 2 different types of fruit, what I want to do is I want to do them in different shapes. So I don't usually want to slice the pears and the apples. I want to chunk one and slice the other.
I would have never thought of that, and you're right, that would make a difference, wouldn't it?
More appealing. It's more appealing.
Yes.
So we're just going to put in a little bit of this fresh.
These are the things Cy's food brain thinks about. We're so glad it does, because the rest of us are just catching up.
These are the things that keep me up at night, Brooke. So, and then we've got these fresh apple slices, and I like to choose an apple that's more crispy so that it's going to stay crisp and it's not going to feel mushy inside of your salad. Same with the pear. Try to choose a pear that feels pretty firm. Even if it's a little underripe, you're going to put dressing on it, it's going to be just fine.
Yep.
So, and then we've got some grilled chicken here, and I just took this outside. It was warm enough to grill this.
Ooh, yum.
So I just put it on the grill, and then we just chunk this up again.
Do you ever cheat and go rotisserie chicken on your salads, or no? Are those too juicy?
I usually don't.
Yeah.
But I think it's fine to use rotisserie chicken.
Permission granted. Okay, fine.
It's okay. This is a sharp white cheddar. Do you want to sprinkle some of that on?
Yeah.
We've got a sharp white cheddar. Okay, this is also a really great salad to do with brie. But if I'm making a large salad, brie is kind of, you know, labor intensive to slice up because it's so soft.
Yeah.
So this is a little bit easier. This is a sharp white cheddar that's just grated. And then,
I'm liking the size of that.
I know, it's really nice.
Too, the thicker grates.
Right, it's really, really nice. And it just gives it a little bit of a, you know, a flavor that's a little bit of a tang, I guess, with the sharpness of this white cheese. And then I really like pumpkin seeds because a lot of people are not allergic to them. And they're really easy, and I think they add a little bit more color too. So I just like to put pumpkin seeds on top.
I'm already obsessed with the salad, and I haven't even tried it yet.
You are going to love this as much as the other salad.
I don't know. In case you've missed it over the years, I have pledged my love to Cy's. Is it the basil couscous salad? Oh my gosh. Like, I can't even talk about it because I might cry tears of joy. My favorite, all-time favorite salad. It's on her blog, but this is going to come close second, I think.
Yeah, this is a really great salad, and it holds up really nicely on a buffet table. If you want to make this ahead of time, you can take the apples and pears, and you know how those will go brown if you let them sit for a long time. You can put those in a little bit of dressing in a bowl and just put them in your fridge, and then just take everything out and toss it together. And I always save a little bit of the ingredients to put on top so that it will look nice for presentation.
What's our dressing?
And then this is just white balsamic, because I wanted to stay with something light so it wouldn't discolor all of these light fruits that I have. And so white balsamic, fresh ginger, salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and some apple juice.
So much thoughtfulness went into the salad as well. That's why your food tastes as good as it does.
Well, it's always better if it's fresh, right? So, and that is it. It's just really simple.
That's beautiful. Everyone will be begging for that recipe. We've got rivals all over. I'll say third place goes to this. What are we looking at?
Okay, this is a teriyaki pasta salad, and it's just got a lot of fresh vegetables on it. I cook the pasta, and while the pasta's still warm, I pour some teriyaki sauce on it that I buy. It's I think it's called Very, Very Teriyaki. Have you ever used that?
No, is it a good one?
It is the best bottled teriyaki sauce.
Very, very teriyaki.
Yes.
Teriyaki.
You can find it
It
everywhere.
should rhyme, but it doesn't. Almost.
But you just pour that on, it kind of soaks into the pasta, and you let it cool, and then you just add a bunch of chopped vegetables, a little bit of teriyaki chicken is in this, and then you make a dressing with the bottled teriyaki thinned down with a little bit of oil and water.
I don't know that I've had a pasta salad with lettuce in it. Have I?
And
is that unique?
Well, I like it because it kind of gives it a little bit of volume and oomph.
Yeah, okay.
So you can use any kind of green. I like to use romaine when it's going to sit out for a while because it doesn't get wilty really fast. So this is a great
try
salad.
All of these, and you have, I'm sure, dozens more on your website.
Yes, all kinds of recipes for salads on A Bountiful Kitchen.
And of course, we're entering spring salad season, so we'll look for more fun and more tasty salad options there as well. We'll link you over from our website. Can't wait to try. Sai, thank you so much.
Thanks, Brooke.